Hi everybody. I'm gonna pour over this tile and this paint that I'm using for my pillow is what I scraped from my last pour. I just put it all in a cup and voila, look at that. Pillow paint. I didn't waste any. It has a lot of air bubbles, but it will work fine. It will really do the job. Okay, so I'm going to use some turquoises and blues and golds. So this is, my teal's gone. Okay, I'm not using teal. So I have Extreme Sheen Aquarium. I have Ice Blue by DECO Art. And some gold, which is PEBEO Iridescent Gold, and some 24 karat gold by DECO Art, which is this. Really nice. And I'm going to use, oh yes, some PEBEO yellow green. Love my yellow green. And then this is the last one for tonight. I think I have another turquoise I'll use, Artist Loft, that I'll use instead of my teal. This is Artist Loft Turquoise. Don't need much for this little tile. This is the Ice Blue. And then some of this green. And then gold. I'll put the gold on top. I'll use this. All right, my this Mars Black starts out small, but it develops. It's Mars Black Cell Activator. See if I can get any more in the middle. No. This is a wooden tile. I don't usually paint over like a regular ceramic tile. I usually take the paint off of it before I paint to get on it and use it again. But this is wooden and the paint sticks to it better than the ceramic tile, so I'm okay to paint over the paint. Gets ready to spin now. Let's see if this is centered. It doesn't look centered. I just put this over top of a wet. If I see any white dots coming up, I just poke them back down. So I got some nice peacock cells there. So yeah, that worked out really pretty. Really, really pretty. Happy with this one. Happy, happy. Those colors are awesome. Just making sure sides are covered. Give it another spin. There, that should be enough. That's probably too much. No, it's not too much, but I lost my swirls on this side. Just moving a little bit. I think it'll be fine. There, I like it. I'm gonna leave it. I got some of my swirls around the sides. Not there, but look at that. That's got beautiful cells. See that? That green really goes nice with these colors. Well, thanks for watching this one and have a good day, everybody. Come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Thanks again. Have a good day. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried really nice. Didn't move at all. It's got a bit of shine there. Yeah, I love this color combination. Very pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.